A meeting this morning with Mayor Adams discussing whether masks will come back for New York City public school students.
Every morning, that's one of my first meetings of the morning, is with the mayor and with our team to review where we are with the state of the pandemic.
The answer based on city data is no for now. City health data shows over the last month the amount of COVID infection has increased across the city. Health Commissioner Dr. Ashwin Vasan says in the coming days, the city's alert level will go from low to medium. However, this is not last year. While cases are rising, hospitalizations are comparatively low, and the number of deaths due to COVID are decreasing. Are you for or against mask mandates?
For mask mandates, absolutely. For public health. Public health is of a greater good, even if it's a massive inconvenience.
While the health commissioner acknowledges the science of masking is confusing for people to follow, he insists 3- and 4-year-olds must continue to mask in schools.
I think we can all agree that the time to be thinking about lifting restrictions and the time to be thinking about loosening rules is not at a time when we're seeing a pretty significant uptick in cases around the city.
Across the 5 boroughs, the positivity rate is nearly 4.8%. The data shows COVID-19 cases steadily increasing in the last 7 days, with spikes in some parts of Manhattan like Lincoln Square hovering at 12%, and the financial district topping 15%. The city's health commissioner says even without a mandate, masks indoors is a good idea.
Right now, we're comfortable messaging what we are today, which is, please, New York, go get vaccinated, go get boosted, use a mask in indoor settings, and get tested and treated frequently as needed.
So while masks will remain off for the majority of New York City public school students for the time being, we are in spring break right now for New York City schools, and the health commissioner is advising all families when returning to make sure they test before returning to school next week. We're live in Lincoln Center. I'm Calorama, Pix 11 News.